Well, well, well. It's the Traxxas TRX4. I've gone for this in the gunmetal grey colour, which is just there on the box. It's just a quick unboxing video. I'm going to show you it, switch it on, and that's really about it until the bashing video. Break the seal on it. You'll have to ignore my burn marks, guys. That's what a Savage excess flux does to you if you're not watching what you're doing. Right, so, ooh, what's in here? Bloody hell! It's a lot larger than I thought it was going to be. That's what she said! Let's get it out and have a look. I'm really excited about this. I went down to Wheelspin Models in Cannock, that's in the UK, and that's where I've actually picked this model up from. So I saw these on the shelf, they had about 30 of them in stock. And I thought, I've just got to have one. Look at that. That is sweet, isn't it? It really is. It's even got the little grille, the Land Rover sticker, little headlights. I'm going to have to fit some lights to this. That's going to be really cool. Little wing mirrors on it. It's got a roof rack. You can put accessories all over this truck. That's really nice. Look at the detail on it. That's a usable tyre there. There's a lot of detail in there. Okay, let's take the wrapping off and look inside. So, whoa. So you've got the ESC here, the 3S capable ESC with a Titan 21 turn brushed motor. It's a 550 can, but it should be good enough to give you what you want from this truck. You've got a servo, you've got another servo, and another servo. You've got the radio box here, sits there nice and waterproof, nothing can get in there, nice and safe. You've got the little antenna on top as well. If we look at the front of the truck, you can see they've mounted the steering servo as far forward as possible to get it over the axles, get some weight forwards so that you can crawl better. Really nice to see. If we look underneath this thing then, which is pretty much equally as impressive to look at, looking at the attention to detail on this thing, you can tell it's had a lot of thought put into it because there's a lot of kind of design features here that are really unique. So you can see that the suspension and return on this thing is really impressive. Has to be said. It's the first scale crawler I've owned, so if you've got any tips for me, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll read them. Thanks, guys. Alright, so we've got a 3S pack in here. So, transmitter on. Let's have a little look. So, we'll press the power button. It should be red. It's green. It knows it's a 3-cell LiPo. Good work, Traxxas. Jesus Christ, that's a good servo. Considering it can move the tablecloth. Oh, yes. It is slow crawl mode. That is the top speed just there. If you flick it over to high speed, obviously it's going to give you more response. So it also lets you control this thing really well because you can really crawl along like so. Or you can go a bit quicker. It's the Traxxas TRX4 Land Rover Discovery.
I think it's called a Defender, isn't it? Not a Discovery.
Oh yeah, so it is. My mistake, it is called the TRX4 Defender.